So guys, as you can see, I've not been online for the past 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes and I've been able to earn 1.67k worth of coins. Wow, whoa, that is massive. So what did I do? Why am I earning these numbers of coin even when I'm sleeping? I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to earn this while you are sleeping, while you are at your place of work, and while you are busy doing other things. Your coin will be counting. As you can see on my screen here, my coin is counting. My coin is counting, right? It's counting. I don't need to tap before I start earning. My coin is still counting while I am here watching it. So how did I do that? First of all, this is one thing you need to understand. If you look at the top of my screen here, you see that my earn per hour is 9 plus. So I can still choose to update it or upgrade it to the numbers of coin I need, as long as I have enough coin here, and as long as I can risk my coin to buy this. So you can see I have upgraded mine from 1 to 9. So that simply means any tap I'm tapping, I am earning plus 9. You can see I am earning 9 coin each time I tap. You can see that. So you can't compare me to a person earning 3 coin per tap. No, that is way massive. And another thing to show you is my profit per hour. You can see I am earning 12, in fact let me say almost 13k, almost 13,000 coin per hour. So that simply means whether I'm awake, whether I'm active or not, as long as this is concerned, as long as I have upgraded my profit per hour, every 1 hour I'm earning this rate. So I can choose to update it, which I'm going to do as I'm recording this video. I'm going to update it. So imagine staying at my work, at my place of work. Imagine being busy doing other stuff and my coin is still counting. Imagine sleeping and my coin is still counting. So you too can get these points. You too can also get this. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I did that. So make sure you stay with me here to the end of the video. And please, if this is your first time watching my video, please do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new update like this, you will receive it. So let's dive in. In this video, I'm not going to waste much of your time. I will just go straight to the point and show you what I'm talking about. So let's dive in, guys. Let's go there. So what you need to do, make sure if you check under you here, you will see exchange, you will see mine, you will see friends, you will see end, and also the airdrop. So here we are going to mine. You go here, you click. Once you click, you will see yourself on this menu. This is where you will see yourself. So you can see here I have bought my token, my fan tokens to level 3. So I am earning 3 point something k per hour. You can see that. So I can choose to buy it. Let me use that as example. So I have to buy it. You can see now, you can see my earn per hour, my profit per hour has upgraded from 12 point to 14 points. So this simply means while I am busy, my coin will be counting. You can see my coin has reduced. It has reduced from 1 point something million to this. So I've lost a lot, but that doesn't mean anything. I'm going to top up. I'm going to earn back. So we go back there again. I'm not going to buy anything right now. I'll be showing you what to do. So you can see all these BTC pairs. I've gotten mine to level 3. You can see Ethereum pairs. I've gotten mine to level 7. So to upgrade to the next level, I'll need to buy with 1.65k, which I'm going to be earning 346 coin per hour. We also have here top 10 KCM pairs, which if I'm to upgrade to the next level, I'll be earning 461 coin per hour with the sum of 2.65k worth of my coins. You can also see this get me fee token. That one is not yet available, so you skip it. This one is not also available. Shit coins is available. I'm at level 1, so I don't want to buy anything right now, so I will just be showing you. All these ones are not yet available. The next thing to do, you go to your PRO team. You can see all these I've bought my own, like support team. I've gotten mine. hamster book, I've gotten mine to level 3. You can also see here X. You can also see here X. My X have upgraded mine to level 2. So I am earning 166 coin per hour. You can also see here Contegraph. You can see the Contelegraph. You are earning. These are, so you can see all this. These ones are not yet available. This ones, so you keep skipping them. You come here, you see CEO, you buy it. I've gotten mine already. You can see all these I've gotten mine. So if I choose to upgrade to the next level, I'll still do that. But right now, I don't want to buy anything for now. I don't want to buy anything. You can see security audition. I've gotten mine to level 1. If I want to upgrade to the next level, so I will just click on it and I will be charged 3,308 worth of my coin. So I don't want to buy it right now, so I will skip that. I'm just showing you the steps here. So make sure you are following my step. If you are following this step, believe me, you'll be earning even when you are sleeping, even when you are busy at work, you'll be earning massively. So the next thing to do is to switch to our Lego. You can see our Lego. Inside Lego, you'll be seeing KYC. I've only upgraded mine to level 1, which I am earning 100 coins per hour. You can see there KYB. You can also buy yours. I've upgraded mine to level 3. You can also see a Lego option. I've gotten mine to level 1, just level 1. Then security transparency, that one is not yet available. Anti-money laundering, I've gotten mine to level 1. So you can also buy. Make sure you are buying all this, okay? Though your coin will be reducing, but believe me, you have nothing to lose. You have nothing to lose. So all these are not yet available. Make sure you always check out here in case any of this thing is available. You go ahead and buy, right? So this is for the logo part of it. So we also have another one there, specials. So you click on special. When you click on special, you see this. All these are the ones I've bought already. You can see here BTC Pizza Day. I've gotten mine to level 4. So if I'm to upgrade to the next level, that simply means I'll be charged 1.98k worth of my coin. So I don't want to upgrade it to the next level. At least I'm okay with this 4 for now. I just want my coin here to increase before I would think of buying anything for now, right? So you can go ahead and buy your own. We also have your top 10 global ranking. You can buy yours. I've upgraded mine to level 2. We also have your special hamster conference. Buy it. I've upgraded mine to level 2. I am earning over 1 point something k worth of coins per hour. You can also see your app center listing. So make sure you are buying all this, okay? Make sure you are buying all this. Then inside that special, we have there my cards, which shows the one I have gotten. So the ones I have bought, with my with my coin. Sorry. Then you will also see the new cards. New cards are the ones coming up. Some of them you can see this one is already unlocked, but due to the fact my coin have gone below 1 million, which I know I cannot risk my 1 million worth of coin to buy it. But if I buy, I have nothing to lose. So you can choose to buy. I am not you, you are not me. I cannot risk my 1 million. So you can see all these ones are not yet available. That's why you are seeing this key. So these ones are not yet available. So make sure you always check here on daily basis. You can also see a missed opportunity. These ones are the ones we couldn't meet up to do, or would I say I didn't know anything about this then, so all this one expired, right? So that is the first thing I did that skyrocket my earning to the level you are seeing right now. So you can still see my coin is still counting while I am doing this tutorial. Meanwhile, before, if I never did this, I will need to tap before I earn. You understand? So the next thing to do, come to earn, and if you have not done all this, make sure you do it. Like join our TG, that is Telegram group, follow our X accounts, choose your exchange, which is this Binance. I choose Binance as my exchange. Then you can also earn by inviting 3 of your friends. Once you invite 3 of your friends, you will earn 25 worth of coins. So I'm not too good at that. So another thing to note, make sure you always come to your daily reward. Very, very important. You can see day 1 I earn 500 worth of coins. Day 2 I earn 1k. Day 3 I earn 2.5k. Day 4 I earn 5k. Day 5 I earn 15k. Day 6 I earn 25k. Day 7 I earn 100k. Day 8, which is today, as of now that I'm recording this video, I've earned my free 500k worth of coins, which tomorrow will be earning 1 million. Then next tomorrow will be earning 5 million, which will take me to at least close to 6 or 7 million worth of coins. So make sure you always check here on daily. You can see here, check back tomorrow. So guys, thank you for taking out your time to watch this video, and if you find this video valuable, do not miss to subscribe to this channel. That is the only way you can support me. Here I teach for free, I don't charge. So the only way to support me, the only way to fuel me is by subscribing to this channel. It doesn't cost anything, it won't take you it won't take anything from it, absolutely free, right? So make sure you subscribe to my channel to empower me. And another thing, in my previous video I made a video on how to access your tap swap from Nigeria, because currently we are not allowed to access the site. So in my previous video I made a video on how to do that. So check out this video here, or you check the link in my comment and in my description. I've pinned the link there, or you can also click on this video here to watch that. So I wish you good luck. Keep tapping, make sure you don't miss. Keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping. Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you drop a comment below. I love you guys.